In this episode, I'll demonstrate a couple of ways to delete the data from database. So we'll just quickly replicate this update query code that we wrote earlier, and we'll just rename this to delete. All of these are pretty much the same. Once you get the idea, it's not difficult at all. So let's first try out with straightforward. Let's call this delete all from transaction table, where customer is this, delete all from this table where customer ID is equal to this and tdate is equal to this. And we'll execute the query. Let's run this by adding one more button. Delete. And we'll call this. So if we go to database, our last record will be this. For this date 5/12, for this client. So once we run this code, it will delete this particular line. Okay, so let's give it a shot. So that line is gone. I just refreshed it, F5. Okay, now let's try and do for this one as well. For 1st Jan 2020. And then we'll try to add parameters as well to this. Okay, so this is deleted, as you can see. So now let's say that we want to add a parameter in the way we have done it up here. So instead of we don't have amount, so we'll use this, add this, and the date is add this. So we'll delete all this. Just Control Z in case you want to refer back. This. I'll just comment this out and delete this too. So delete all from this with this parameters placeholder, and we'll bring this back on. So going back here, let's say that we want to delete let's do the ones at the bottom so it's easier to identify. Client C500, and the date is 12/31. So client and date. So when I run this query, we'll have this line deleted. Okay, so it's deleted, as you can see. Okay, so that will be pretty much for this video. In the following videos, we will also try to export the data that we read from the database. Maybe we can try and export them to CSV file. We'll try and write to Excel or to the TXT file.